In my opinion, we sell the best commercial vehicles in the UK, not just your bobby basic standard commercials, something that's highly spec'd, something that's desirable, something that looks different to other cars. And this is another example. So this is a Land Rover Defender 110 commercial, VAT qualifying, in a colour called Tasman Blue. We had a little Defender 90 only a couple of days ago in Tasman Blue. It's now sold because of the colour. And this car's in Tasman Blue, but look at it. It just looks so good. So that's down to the way it's been spec'd. It's a HSE. So HSE gives you massive spec, things like heated and cooled seats, adaptive cruise, heated steering wheel, all the luxury features. But exterior-wise, it's got full wide arch body kit. So that's the big body kit, all in gloss black. You've got the front air intake in gloss black. You've got the ladder, you've got the lights at the top, you've got the bonnet decal, you've got the side storage box. So the car just looks absolutely superb. On top of that, it's fully colour-coded. So all the underneath sections in here, it's all done in gloss. The badging, the inserts across the front nose cone. Then you've got the big wide arch kit, the 20-inch wheels in gloss black, contrasting black roof rails, side steps, side storage back as I mentioned, but that's all being done in gloss black. Round the rear again, rear spoiler, spare wheel cover. How good does it look? 23, so you've got warranty till 2026. It's only done just over 6,000 miles. There is your big load space. You also get a little thing with it here as well. Massive load space. There you have it. So you've got all that space to put all your equipment or whatever you need. This car's a 3 litre, 250 brake horsepower diesel. With it being the 110, you've got the rear access there and you've got the side access. So you've got the 2 doors either side if you need to go in that way as well. And then when we move inside, this is when you see the HSE benefits. So keyless entry, press the door, door opens, you've got blind spot monitoring. And then when I get inside, you've got Meridian speaker, you've got memory seats, and the HSE, you can just feel and see the difference. Not so much on the video when I'm telling you, but trust me, when you're sat here, you've got full extended leather. It's got the larger 11.4-inch screen. You've got the ClearSight camera up here as well. You've got your digital cockpit in front of you, heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise, automatic light, automatic wipers. Centre armrest, so it's very comfortable with the storage inside. Press the button there, that's for the lights at the top, which I'll show you. I'll show you that actually. Just move back and show you. So they're off, now they're on. There you go. This car's also got a deployable Towbar. So you've got your 11.4-inch screen. I'll just show you some other features. With it being a HSE, the specs like absolutely superb. You get heated and cooled seats. And they're things that you don't really think about with commercials. Wireless Apple CarPlay, you've got your full 360 camera system, 3D, and it's got towing assist with it having the Towbar. And then if I go into the main menu again, click on Towbar, deploy, and then that just comes out the back. Again, I think a lot of commercial clients want the Towbar, so having that electric deployable Towbar is a big extra. So the car is not only a HSE, which is top spec, it's the other extras, the wide arch kit, the storage box, the spoiler, the air intake, the ladders, the Towbar. It just looks superb. It's going live on the website like our stock. We price it to sell it quickly. Give us a call, the number's on the bottom of the screen.